In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link to an article on LinkedIn. If you found a LinkedIn article or post that you want to send to someone, save for later, or share in another message or platform, LinkedIn makes that very easy. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to copy the link to that article so you can share it wherever you need. To get started, go to LinkedIn and make sure you're on the page where the article appears. This could be in your feed, in search results, or on a profile, depending on where you found it. The important thing is that you can see the article or post you want to share on your screen before moving to the next step. Once you've located the article, look for the three-dot menu associated with that post. This menu is usually found near the top corner of the article card or post area. The three dots open additional options for interacting with that content, so if you don't immediately see a sharing option on the main post itself, this is where you'll usually find it. Go ahead and click the three dots. When the menu opens, you'll see a list of available actions related to that article or post. These options can vary slightly depending on the type of content and whether you're using LinkedIn on a desktop browser or another device, but the option you're looking for should be clearly labeled. From that menu, click on Copy Link to Post. As soon as you do that, LinkedIn will copy the direct URL to your clipboard. That means the link is now ready to be pasted anywhere you want, such as in an email, a chat message, a document, or even another social media post. A quick tip here: after copying the link, it can be helpful to paste it into a note or message right away, just to confirm it copied correctly. If nothing appears when you paste, simply go back and repeat the same action from the three-dot menu. And that's it. Once the link has been copied, you can share the article quickly and easily with anyone who needs access to it. This is a simple feature, but it's a great way to distribute useful content without having to ask someone to search for it manually. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to share a link to an article on LinkedIn.